Best ever, love the space and very helpful contact person, Miss Felicia. Exceptional, excellent host and very helpful too. Will definitely come back again. Thank you. Clean and nice unit with friendly host. This unit is very clean and tidy and with very nice and attractive decoration. The most important is the host is very friendly and helpful and always give the guidance. Very recommended. Exceptional, perfect stay. Highly recommended, thumbs up. Best stay in Malacca. Definitely one of the best places I've been. The whole family loves it. House was so beautifully decorated. Worth every penny, and with the huge pool my kids loved it. Few minutes away from main attractions. Host Felicia was very nice and easy to liaise with. Everything was so smooth. Definitely a next time. Tour bike. Swimming pool best. The house looks nice and clean. Also decoration is good, calm and relaxed. Have a really nice stay here with nice view and deco and really warm stay here. Facilities here made our stay more exciting with big pool, sauna, jacuzzi, gym. Will repeat with friend. Recommended, romantic face. Very good, everything was perfect. Satisfied with the service, facilities and friendly host.